tricky, but I got it done. And let me show you guys the hay. 9 bales. Usually we do 6, but this time we tried 9. At least the hay will last a little while. Hey there everyone, this is Sylvia with Pine Kiko goats. Today I'm just going to go fetch some hay for the goats, and I got a couple chores to do this morning. It's still pretty early out, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. So in my last video, I got a new goat, Hollyhock, and today I'm also going to try to get her more used to me. She's still a little scared of humans. Also, yesterday I just got my shipment of EID goat ear tags, so I'll probably have an ear tagging video coming up soon. And yeah, anyways, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Here's the goats. Here's Luna. Hi, girl. She's getting huge, you guys. I can't wait for kidding. It's gonna be so exciting to see her kids. She'll be the first one. She's due March 2nd. So in about 4 weeks here, we should have some kids on the ground. Hollyhock is due next. I hope she's pregnant. I'm guessing around April 20th, April 15th for her, somewhere around there. And Kiko is due next. I wouldn't be surprised if she's got triplets in there. She's already getting pretty big. She's due April 25th. There's Santiago back there. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get some hay for these goats and get them fed this morning. Guys, that hay was really hard work. I carried up 9 bales and stacked it in the shed all by myself, and that was tricky. For those of you who don't know, we live on top of a big, tall, steep hill, and our goats are on the highest part of the hill and our house is on the lower part of the hill. So to get up to the goat pen, we have to actually walk up this steep hill, and bringing hay up here is hard work. So That was really tricky, but I got it done. And let me show you guys the hay. 9 bales. Usually we do 6, but this time we tried 9. So at least the hay will last a little while. And yeah, I'm gonna feed the goats their alfalfa pellets and grain. I give the does that for a little bit of extra added nutrition to their diet since they are on grass hay. So the alfalfa pellets and the grain just gives them a little nutrition boost. It has some good minerals in there, and they also have their selenium block. The buck also has a selenium block, but that's it. He doesn't get a whole lot of grain and alfalfa pellets, but every once in a while he does get a little bit of that for some added nutrition. So yeah, I'll give them their grain, and then that'll be the end of today's show. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it and appreciate all the new subscribers coming on. I hope you enjoy my channel, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Thank you.